Hello everyone, and welcome back to StorySpeak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jenny.
Hello, Jenny. And hello to all our amazing learners joining us today. It feels like the perfect day to spend time with you.
It really does, John. You look extra cheerful today. That smile is huge.
I am cheerful. I feel unusually relaxed.
That's wonderful. What made you feel so calm?
Well, I started my morning with a long walk in the park near my home.
That sounds great. Was the weather nice?
The sun was warm, and the birds were singing. It felt like the best way to begin the day.
Lovely. And actually, John, that connects perfectly with today's topic.
Oh. What are we talking about?
Today's episode is all about spending time in nature.
Great topic. Nature is really something special.
It is. We'll talk about why nature helps us, and we'll learn some English words related to outdoor activities.
Nice. Hiking, picnics, maybe camping.
Yes. And we'll also talk about how nature improves your mind. But before we step outside.
You mean before the episode starts?
Exactly. We have a small request for our listeners.
We do. Friends, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to StorySpeak English.
Yes. Subscribing helps us create more helpful lessons for you.
And hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with someone who is learning English.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your support.
Alright, Jenny, let's talk about nature.
Let's go. So, John, you mentioned you went to the park today?
Yes. It's a large park with lots of tall trees.
How did you feel before the walk?
Honestly, I was a bit stressed.
Stressed? Why?
Oh, the usual, work deadlines, emails, busy city life. Sometimes my mind feels crowded.
I understand. Life today moves very fast.
It does. But after 10 minutes in the park, everything changed.
Changed? How?
I felt peaceful. The stress just melted away.
That is the magic of nature. It's wonderful for our mental health.
Mental health, an important phrase. It means how your mind feels.
Right. Like we exercise our body, spending time outside exercises our mind.
Exactly. When I hear the wind in the trees, I instantly relax.
Same here. There's a name for that feeling, mindfulness.
Mindfulness, that's a big word. What does it mean?
It means paying attention to the present moment. Not thinking about yesterday or tomorrow, just being here, right now.
So, if I look at a flower and focus only on it, that's mindfulness?
Yes. And you're not checking your phone either.
Phones. Yeah, we use them non-stop.
We really do. My eyes get tired from looking at screens.
Mine too. Nature is the perfect place for a digital detox.
Digital detox, that means taking a break from screens, right?
Exactly. If you're in a forest or at the beach, keep your phone in your pocket. Don't scroll Instagram, look at the sky.
I love that. The real world is more beautiful than Instagram.
It truly is. Nature helps us reconnect with what's real.
So, walking is one thing we can do. What else?
Oh, lots of things. My favorite is hiking.
Hiking, walking in the mountains or forests, right?
Yes, usually longer and sometimes harder than normal walking. Good shoes are important.
Definitely. You don't want sore feet.
I always wear sturdy boots and carry a backpack.
What's inside?
Water. Lots of water. And sometimes a map.
Good idea, you don't want to get lost.
Nope. But reaching the top and seeing the view makes everything worth it.
I like walking too, but I love sitting even more. Sitting is a great outdoor activity.
So what's your favorite activity, Jenny?
Oh, definitely picnics.
Of course, you love food.
I do. A picnic is the perfect slow afternoon.
Tell us your dream picnic.
All right. First, a big blanket for the grass. A soft one. Then a basket filled with sandwiches, fruit, apples, grapes, strawberries, and something cool to drink.
That sounds wonderful.
And I love reading under a tree. That is pure relaxation.
But what about the ants?
The ants? Yes, they also enjoy sandwiches. I try to be polite to them. But yes, insects are part of nature. If you're in their home, say hello.
Hello, Mr. Ant. Please don't take my strawberry.
Exactly.
We talked about hiking and picnics. What about camping?
Camping, sleeping outside in a tent?
Yes.
I want to like camping, but I'm afraid of the dark. The forest is very dark at night. And noisy. Probably just an owl or a rabbit. Or a bear.
But camping is fun. You can make a campfire, sit around it, and look at the stars.
Oh yes, the stars. You can't see many stars in the city.
No, too many lights. But in nature, the sky is full of them.
That sounds beautiful. Maybe I'll try camping. If you protect me from bears.
I'll protect you.
Thank you.
Another fun activity is biking.
Riding a bicycle?
Yes. Many parks have special paths.
Great exercise.
And fast, you can see lots of nature quickly.
The wind in your hair feels amazing.
Yes, free. Nature gives you freedom.
But John, can nature help us learn English?
Interesting question. I think yes.
How?
By describing what you see.
Example?
You walk in a park, I see a tree. I see a flower. I see a bird.
Yes. And you can describe them. A big green tree. The sky is bright blue. The grass feels soft. That's excellent practice. And calming.
You can also bring a notebook and write what you see. I see a brown dog running. I see children playing.
Exactly. Nature gives you time to think. And it helps conversations with friends.
Yes. Nature walks are peaceful. Easier to talk than noisy cafes.
True. Some of my best conversations happen outdoors. But what if someone doesn't live near forests or big parks?
Even a small park works. Or a garden. Or one tree.
Yes, even one tree is nature.
You don't need a big trip, just open your eyes and breathe.
I have a challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, a challenge.
Go outside this week.
Just go outside.
Yes, go to a park or a quiet street. Leave your phone in your pocket for 20 minutes.
Only 20 minutes. That's easy.
Look around. Listen to birds. Practice English. Name 5 things you see. Tree, cloud, bird, rock, flower.
Great challenge. I'll do it too.
Talking about nature makes me want to go outside right now.
Same. But we must finish the episode first.
True. But we can plan our next picnic.
This was a lovely conversation, Jenny. I feel refreshed.
I'm happy to hear that. Nature reminds us we are human, not robots.
Absolutely. People need green spaces.
Well, that's all for today. We covered a lot: mental health, hiking, camping, picnics, digital detox, and how nature helps with English. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to StorySpeak English and share this with a friend. Maybe with someone you want to go walking with. And tell us in the comments. What's your favorite outdoor activity? Write your answer in English. We love reading your comments. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful, nature-filled week. See you next time. Bye.